Future Institute of Engineering and Management, located in Sonarpur, Kolkata, received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's review the MBA program offered here, starting with the placements rated 4.1 stars. As per NIRF 2024, 52 students graduated from the PG 2-year program in 2022-23, with 10 securing placements. The placement rate in 2023 stood at 19%, showing a decrease over the past 3 years. FIEM's 2023 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Cognizant, Mindtree, TCS CodeVita, among others. Students were offered roles such as HR recruiters, assistant managers, sales trainees, and management trainees. The highest package for 2024 was 13 lakh per annum, with a median of 3.5 lakh per annum. The median packages have increased by 22% compared to the previous year, rising from 2.88 lakh per annum in 2022 to 3.5 lakh per annum for the year 2023. Compared to International Management Institute, Future Institute of Engineering and Management's median salary falls significantly short. Students have secured 100% internship with BharatPe, IMDb, Vivo, and others. FIEM also promotes entrepreneurship through its Entrepreneurship Augmentation Cell, which collaborates with Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to offer merit-based development program for students and local youth. Now let's dive into the MBA program, which holds a rating of 4.4 stars. There are 4 MBA specializations offered, including marketing, finance, business analytics, human resources. Eligibility for admission requires 50% in 10+2, and candidates must be cleared of MAT or GMAT. The total tuition fee for 2-year program is 5.16 lakhs. Scholarships are available based on merit and economic background, with 10% of the students receiving full free ships and another 10% getting half free ships. The institution has a 4.6 star value for money rating on Shiksha. Now let's take a look at the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. FIEM has modern classrooms, a well-stocked library, and offers memberships to NPTEL, SWAYAM, and other libraries. The campus provides Wi-Fi and air-conditioned reading room and a communication and language lab to enhance workplace skills. Students say that the college does not have its own hostel, so those from outside Kolkata stay in nearby PGs for accommodation. Turning to faculty and course with a rating of 4.6 stars. Students mention that the faculty at the college are qualified, knowledgeable, supportive, and motivating, always guiding them towards career growth. The institute encourages faculty involvement in R&D, industry internships, and joint PhD guidance with neighboring universities. It also collaborates with companies like Beta System Engineering, Autodesk, and Ray Electronics to enhance skill development and work on industrial projects. The campus life at FIEM is rated 4.5 stars. The institute promotes an all-round development through events like the annual sports, annual fest, and the university competitions. FIEM hosts 5 active student clubs including Sportivo, Explorica, Kalrav, Estrella Productions, and Unicorn. These clubs offer a platform for students to showcase their talents in various fields. Lastly, FIEM is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on Future Institute of Engineering and Management and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.